I'm gonna be pulling and cleaning the blower wheel. Dust and build up on that. Whenever you remove the wires off a control board, make sure you always want to write down where they go. No matter how many times you do this, always write it down. Pretty much once you remove the control board after taking the wires off, it's time to have fun and take this baby out. So what I love using is my multi. Whenever you're in a tough spot, this zoom sprout, just tap that over there right there, pop, pop, pop. It's gonna come out. Get your blower wheels clean. Think it's dirty. Just blowing into the home. Looking good.